Sometime back, I was glad that our Honorable Minister had come to my constituency, and you had seen also that farmers are also doing a lot of things. So agro-tourism is what I am wanting to ask the Honorable Minister to incorporate in the tourism sector, because there is a lot of potential. People will have more enthusiasm to come and do agriculture. Agro-tourism, then we can have this kind of shows for people, children, students, everyone can come and take benefit and help the farmers. Heritage tourism. This is what I always have sought, because I said that everything is not sun, sand, and sea. We have something remote. We have inside not only beautiful houses, we also have temples, churches, which are in the hinterland. And if you look at certain foreign websites, they talk of tourism of Goa in the hinterland. And people are looking forward. They come and stay in the houses. They come and stay in small cottages. And then finally, they explore those areas. They sometimes put up photographs of places we have never seen, beautiful things. And I would ask the Honorable Minister, in my own constituency, you can see Bastara, Moira, Aldona, Nashnola, Olauli, Pomburpa, even the island of Kalvi, and even my village of Kurjuan, there are beautiful places. There are also places along the rivers where you got estuarine areas where you can develop tourism potential can be there. You can have circuits where you can have these tours going along circuits. Heritage homes can be made there. People can have functions, programs. People can also have these kind of meals being made. Local population will be able to sell what they make. And I think this way, like our Honorable Speaker had that festival in his place, we can have something like this and in a continuous manner. So this way it generates employment, even for people who don't have to seek government service. And I think
media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.